Good morning, YouTube. Hey, my lot kings and queens out there. This natural hair queen Sade. I'm back and I'm better with another video. Dry locks today. You know what I'm saying? So let me show y'all what y'all could do if you have dry locks. I'm 4 months locked. I have my olive oil. And I have my water. You need the water. So fill your bottle up. Get your water. Get your water. Get your olive oil. Take your olive oil. Put it in certain parts of your locks. Certain parts now, y'all. Let me show you the back. Make sure you get certain ones. Okay. Make sure you do the side. Because this oil, it spreads around. So, by being in this tube, that's all you got to do is squeeze certain spots. And put some in your hand. Now, you see my hand is clean. Okay. Put some oil in there. Alright. We have enough in our hand. Rub them together. And put them on your locks. Alright. Now take your water and spritz your locks. Just spritz them a little bit. They don't have to be spritzed that much. Shake. Give them a good shake, y'all. Come on, move them locks around. Move them locks around. Move them locks. Alright, I'll make sure my oil is through the whole head. Now, I don't know if y'all can see that, but they look a little more moisture than dryness. I don't know if y'all can see them, but they look better to me. They feel a little better. They're not all stiff. Y'all see the back? Okay. Alright. We done marched them locks up. They feel good to me, y'all. You hear me? So, this is what we working with. They look good. They starting to grow. They curving in the kind of way in the back. But, that's what you do when you have dry locks now. When they stay dry like that, like every other day, you want to have your bottle so you can miss your locks. Because missing them do help, as you can see. My locks was, well, I got a little Earl. I ain't sprayed out. I ain't sprayed that Earl out. Alright. Sprayed that Earl. Okay, because it's going to go down the locks on their own. As long as you got your scalp, your locks, they're going to be healthy. As you can see, I'm just 4 months locked. My locks, they hang to here. 4 months locked, y'all. Yep, going on 5 on the 21st. So, this is where my hair stop at. I'm loving my locks. I'm loving my journey. That's what you do when you have dry locks, though. When you have dry locks, miss them, and they're going to feel a whole lot better. Thank you for watching. You heard me. This your girl, Natural Hair Queen Sade. If you haven't already subscribed to my page. Like, leave a comment. You know what I'm saying? So your girl could get right back at you when you leave that comment. Hit the notification bell so you could be notified every time I upload. I upload Monday through Friday. Don't miss me. Don't miss me. This is what you do when you have dry locks. Make sure you have what? olive oil, and water. Thank you. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye.